Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Ledger with Metamask. So first is you have to set up your Ledger. So you have to plug in your Ledger device and then enter your PIN. So after that, open the Ledger Live. This is optional, by the way, and go to My Ledger, which is in here. And then you just have to install the Ethereum application from the app catalog if not already installed. So from here, once you tap on this My Ledger, this app catalog will then show up. So from here, you can search in any application. So since we're installing the Ethereum app, you just have to search for Ethereum, which is this one, and then click on install. So this is only for those people who have not yet installed the Ethereum application. So that's how you do it. You just have to install it. Next is to enable contract data on Ledger. So on your Ledger, you just have to open the Ethereum application. So let's say, for example, this Ethereum application is already installed. So you just have to click on it and then navigate to the settings and then click on blind signing or contract data. So set it to yes, then this allows smart contract interaction required for the apps. So here, this is the blind signing enable transaction. So you just have to set it to yes, and then next is to open the Metamask and start hardware wallet connection. So open up your browser and click on Metamask and extension. So this is how it looks like. So click on account icon at the top. So this one, you just have to click on this one and then tap on connect hardware wallet, or you can also tap on add account or hardware wallet. So you have to click on that one and then select Ledger and click on continue. So once you click on this one, it will show up a lot of options. So you just have to click on hardware wallet. And then once you click on hardware wallet, this will show up. And then you just have to choose the Ledger since we're connecting it to Ledger. Then once you click on this one, you just have to click on continue. Now, once you're done with that, we're going to be connecting the Ledger to Metamask. So you have to make sure that your Ledger device is still unlocked and Ethereum app is open. And then Metamask will scan and show a list of addresses from your Ledger, which is in here. It's pretty blur, but you'll know. So here are the addresses that the Metamask will scan. So you have to select the address from your Ledger that you want to connect with. So select the one that you want to use and click on unlock. So click on unlock right here. So click on unlock right here also. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!